Okay, we're still on section 5.5. We're going to do horizontal translations this time with the sine and the cosine function. We have two different forms that we can write this in. The shifted form is the one that has all the things in the parentheses multiplied out, bt plus or minus c. And then the standard form separates out, takes the b out into factored form, so you can see the c over b. The c in this equation is called the phase angle. And it shows, basically, it discusses how a function can be out of phase or reference to this function in order to shift it. If you actually separate out the b and take this b in order you can find the period, the remaining thing that's with the t gives us the magnitude. That means how big it is, and then the direction, meaning if it moves left or right, of the horizontal shift. D, as in section A of this 5.5 notes, is the vertical shift, and it gives the location of the average value. So we've already discussed the A's, B's, and D's in these equations. We're going to add a C to it as well. So looking at this example, we've got 3 sine of 2t minus pi over 2, all in parentheses, plus 1. If you take the thing inside the parentheses, the 2t minus pi over 2, set it equal to the beginning of a normal sine function's period is 0, and also set it to the end of a normal pi function is 2 pi. Once you solve for t, see if you add pi over 2 and then divide by 2, the beginning of this function is going to start at pi over 4. And on the other one, if you add pi over 2, you get 5 pi over 2. And you divide by 2, you get 5 pi over 4. This is the beginning and the end of the cycle in which we're going to shift all of this. So if we're starting at, knowing that this all the way goes to 5 pi over 4, and it starts at pi over 4, let's start 4 units in. This is pi over 4, and then you can use the concept of pi over 4 as the unit of measure 4 tick marks, so I'm going to go every 4 tick marks. And the next one, pi over 4 plus pi over 4 is pi over 2, plus another pi over 4 is 3 pi over 4. Next pi over 4 makes it to pi, and then another pi over 4 makes 5 pi over 4. So the beginning of the function is going to start at pi over 4. The end of the function is going to end at 5 pi over 4. The one on the end is going to be the average value. That's our middle line at y equals 1. So at pi over 4, this is a sine function. It's going to start on that. It's going to hit its high point. Halfway through, it's going to hit that line again. It's going to hit its low point, and it's going to hit back at 5 pi over 4. Now our max and our mins are going to happen at the amplitude is going up and down 3 units from that average value. So at pi over 2, if we go up 3 units, we're at pi over 2, 4. And then when we're down over here at pi and we're hitting our minimum, we go down 3 units, and we're down to negative 2. So at pi, we're down to negative 2. So we start at pi over 4. We hit its max at 4. We go back to the middle of the function at pi over 4, or 3 pi over 4, 1. We hit its minimum at negative 2, and we finish out the function at 5 pi over 4. Also, you notice if we take this function and we pull it out into the standard form, if you pull the t out away from the shift, then we'll have t minus pi over 4 in the parentheses. And you notice that if you take the 2, the b value, and you get the period of your function, that's 2 pi over 2, which is pi. If you notice, it starts at pi over 4 and ends at 5 pi over 4. That total distance is pi units. Also, this pi over 4 tells you that it shifted right by pi over 4 units. So the beginning of our sine function started at pi over 4.